Day 67 of cleaning one thing every day for those who may feel overwhelmed or depressed. So today we're going to vacuum our floors, which means if you're going to vacuum your floors, that means you got to pick it up. So if you got stuff all over the floor, you got to pick it up. But today you got to vacuum your floors. Choose which side, which you want to do, but I'm vacuuming the living room floor. So if it's easier for you to do your bedrooms, do whatever you want as far as vacuuming, but that's what we're going to do. You go all the way in the back and touch the wall. I love this thing. I don't even use a, look at that. I use Eureka Mighty Mite for the floors and walls, and I use Bissell for carpet. Two best machines, hands down. And no, I'm not getting paid to say that. Those are just the two machines I use when cleaning. Those are the only two brands I've used probably for the past 20 years. But anyway, we've done the floors, and if you want to mop, you can. But if you had this Eureka, this thing is so good, like it buffs the floor. I go to clients' homes and the ones that I clean for, not the ones with disabilities, not regular, sorry. My clients that I clean houses, they think that I mopped the floor and I didn't. I'm like, no, I've only vacuumed, haven't mopped the floor yet. So, but yeah, this I love this vacuum. It buffs. It's a really good vacuum. It looks really good when you have hardwood floors. That beautiful wood. This is fake wood. But when I use this Eureka on there, man, it shines that wood floor. Like you really don't have to mop after that. But I do anyway. But you really don't have to. That's how good this is. Well, you guys have a good day, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.